There is a lot of request regarding how you can prepare for KYC. In this video, I will be showing you how to achieve that. Please pay attention and make sure you watch till the end. It might seem like you already know, but if you miss one step, you might miss the chance to either KYC or safeguard your Mainnet Pi. Like they say, a word is enough for the wise. You cannot be part of the progress if you are not fully ready. You cannot also be asking questions about KYC, the mainnet, or how to spend Pi, if you keep thinking that you know it all. Well, if you still do or feel that way, good luck. I bring you the basic knowledge to Pi network migration. Stay tuned. In this video, we'll walk over the mainnet checklist, which must be completed before your transferable balance for the Pi can be added to the queue for mainnet migration. This way, you will be able to join the enclosed mainnet Pi ecosystem where pioneers with real Pi in their wallets can purchase goods and services with their Pi. You have two ways to go to the mainnet checklist. Either select the shortcut titled Mainnet Info located in the bottom right corner of the mining app's home screen, or click the hamburger button in the top left. By doing so, you can access the Pi menu and then choose Mainnet. Click Checklist on the Balance dashboard page. The Mainnet checklist is broken down into the following 8 steps: the Pi browser, the Pi wallet, wallet confirmation, lockup configuration, KYC application, KYC results, mainnet migration, and team KYC invitation. Simply put, the majority of you haven't finished all the tasks on the list, which is why many of you haven't received the KYC invitation. Simply said, you must have finished steps 1 through 4 before receiving the invitation to KYC. Understand? Your Mainnet Pi can be queued up for migration to mainnet blockchain once the KYC has been finished and approved, which will happen once you have finished steps 1 through 4. The first step is to download the Pi browser app. The Pi browser is very important because it is host to essential Pi apps, such as the Pi wallet and the Pi KYC apps. It also gives you access to the Pi ecosystem. Basically, through the Pi browser, you will be able to access the marketplaces and also spend your Pi by making seamless payments through the hosted Pi wallet. So, if you have not downloaded the Pi browser, I will suggest you do so from either the Google Play Store or the iOS Apple Store. Step 2, which is the Pi wallet. You will definitely need to create a Pi wallet, and you can only do this from the Pi browser. The Pi wallet is equally important because it holds the migrated Pi, which is transferred after you have completed the KYC. I made a video on how you can create a Pi wallet, feel free to check it out. I will also leave a link to the video in the description below this video. Step 3. After you have created the Pi wallet, you will need to confirm the wallet. Please, remember to keep safe the passphrase of your Pi wallet after you have created it. The Pi network does not keep a record of your passphrase. Therefore, if you lose your passphrase and cannot have access to your wallet, it means you have lost your wallet. And that in return means you have lost the Pi in that wallet. When confirming your wallet on the blockchain, you will be required to enter the passphrase in the provided box. This is to ensure that you still remember your passphrase, or at least have access to the passphrase. It is also a safety mechanism created for you because you have an option at this point to recreate another wallet if you have lost the passphrase of the previous one. This way, you only get to lose the wallet and not the Pi because it is still yet to be migrated or transferred. In step 4, you will have to commit to the lockup configuration. Once this is done, you will start mining at a higher rate even if your Pi has not been migrated to the mainnet. The longer the duration and the higher the percentage that you choose, the higher your mining reward will be. But, I will also advise that you think it through before you decide on the type of configuration that suits you. I have received numerous questions from pioneers, asking if they can change the settings that they have submitted. I am sorry, once you lock up, you have locked up until the end of that duration or during the next migration before any change can take effect. Don't fall into this category, make a wise and careful choice. You can find a link to a video I made about Pi lockup configuration in the description below this video. Feel free to check it out. Step 5, apply to KYC. This is the process also known as Know Your Customer. This method is used to identify and verify pioneers, making sure that they are real people. I have said this over and over again, and I will repeat it here. Once your mining session expires, and you click to start mining again, you are likely to receive an invite to KYC. Once you see this invite, please accept the invite within 15 minutes. Otherwise, it will disappear and you will have to wait for a random period when the invite will be sent to you. If you think you are not set to carry out the KYC just yet, you might not have the documentation needed at hand. Don't worry, just accept the invite, move to the Pi browser, click on KYC and start the process. You can leave it at this point and return when you are fully ready. And for those that keep asking if they will ever get the chance to KYC or the invitation to KYC, the answer is yes. Currently more than half of pioneers worldwide are eligible for KYC, and the core team is making efforts to make it more available to the rest of the community. Step 6. Wait for KYC results. This step will be completed and checked once the KYC application has been successfully verified. But it is advisable to keep checking the status of your application from the Pi browser to get updates on the submitted KYC. If by any chance your application is reversed and not verified, you will be presented with another chance to resubmit the KYC application. Once you pass KYC, you also have the choice to apply to become a validator yourself. This is totally optional. Step 7. Migrate to Mainnet. After you must have completed all the previous steps mentioned in this video, this step allows you to queue your Pi transferable balance for Mainnet migration. In Step 7, you will have to go through a document and then accept the terms. After migration, there will be a 14-day pending period. Within this period, your migrated Pi will not be available to you in your wallet. The system uses this period to run additional checks on your account, and also calculate the exact Pi that needs to be transferred to your wallet. So, this is your waiting period. Once all is clear and free, you will immediately have your Pi transferred to your wallet. I made a video on how to transfer the migrated Pi to your available balance in your wallet. Without doing this, you will still not be able to spend your Pi. I suggest you watch the video and learn how to do that. Links in the description of this video. Step 8 is when you can send notifications to remind your team member to do their KYC. This step is not a requirement to move to Mainnet, but it is important because you will not get the Pi mined through the participation of any of your team members if they have not done KYC. But as soon as they complete their KYC, their contributed Pi will immediately be calculated and migrated into your wallet. So, it will be nice to urge them to KYC. The more pioneers complete the checklist and KYC, the better the Pi network blockchain gets. This means, it is very important that you complete your checklist and help build a stronger ecosystem. If you are wondering about the steps I mentioned in this video, don't worry. I have made separate videos on all of them. I will leave links to all the videos in the description below this video. Check them out one after the other, as a guide to completing your checklist. Or you check out the playlist on my channel to find them. I am sure by now, you have subscribed, and I say thank you. But if you haven't, I will request that you do so now. This way you will always get an alert as to when my videos are uploaded. Hit the notification bell as well. Don't forget to share and give a thumbs up. My name is Tony, and this is Basic Knowledge. Until my next video, keep mining.